Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith, and today, as you can see, we are outside. I'm in my gym clothes, no makeup on, because in about 10 minutes we are going to go downstairs and organize my entire bedroom closet. As you guys know, I have tons and tons and tons of clothes from stuff that I've made and stuff that I bought, and there's just a lot of it. So we're gonna go through everything. Everything that I get rid of will be up on my Depop if you would like to buy it. And aside from that, I hope you enjoy this video. So for those of you who have not seen my closet before, we can start with that. So I have one shelf up here. I have another shelf down here, as well as laundry that is currently getting done, so there'll be even more clothes. I have a mini shelf over here with all of my work stuff. And then I have all of my pants up here. And then each of these things is full of clothes, except for, I believe, this bottom one is like paperwork, and this is like belts and stuff. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3, 13 cubbies, plus one down here, of clothes, pants, all the shoes, and then all of my actual clothes. As you guys also know, and please ignore that my room is a mess right now, this is all clothes too. So we kind of just have a lot to go through today. So I'm gonna set us all up here to start because I want to go through this area first. I know for a fact that most of these dresses fit me fine because a lot of them are really new and recent. So I have everything on this rack I know fits. It's a couple like shawls and 1 or 2 dresses. I know these fit, but I have no idea if this fits still. So I'm gonna use the fridge as a holder for clothes that we're gonna have to try on. So we can move that, move this, and then I have, I guess technically all of these can be tried on. These are good, these are good, these are good. Work dresses fit me just fine. You can try on this one. So I want to separate all the clothes first and then we'll try stuff on afterwards. So this is our dresses category. Now below that is t-shirts, tank tops, and like actual blouses, mostly. So again, a lot of this stuff is pretty new. And then stuff that I'm not sure about, going here to be tried on afterwards. There's also stuff in here that I just don't ever wear. Like it just sits in my closet forever and never gets worn. So that sort of stuff is gonna be on the chopping block as well. I also think I'm gonna have another category here for stuff that I just wanna move out of the way. Like these are not things I ever wear out of the house, but I wear them to like clean and pajamas. Like these were my dad's shirts. So I think I'm gonna start another pile, I guess I'll just do it over here, for stuff that just needs to be in a new area. But then I have shirts like this that I love so much. It ties in the back that I just know for a fact does not fit me anymore. The front usually fits okay, but I got bigger arms, so now this thing is not going on. If anybody else has started hitting the gym kind of crazy in the past couple years, have you noticed that like your waist gets smaller, so everything still fits here, but then as like your arms and legs get bigger, you're like need a whole new wardrobe at this point? It's kind of annoying, honestly, to have to keep buying new things. I think that is everything from this shelf for now. So we're gonna grab all this stuff and put it in the other pile. I also like doing these videos because it just gives me a chance to like say hi to all of you guys, which I don't normally do because it's like makeup tutorial teaching the whole time, crochet tutorial teaching the whole time. So I don't get the chance to just talk to my audience as much as I would normally like to. So if you guys have any fun updates you want to share, be my guest and flood the comments with your life stories. I actually love reading them. This shelf is kind of hard. I mean, I pulled these 2 things out, but honestly, I wear them to work anyways. So I feel like I'm actually just gonna leave this shelf alone. It's like all my blazers and my like work sweaters and like jackets and stuff. It's stuff that I really have no reason to mess with and get rid of when I am consistently needing to wear like suit jackets to work. However, I am realizing I have a couple blousey tops that should be here instead. So we can organize them. And later on, we are going to fix the hangers and color code this because honestly, that's a mess right now. But stuff is totally all in the wrong spots. But we're going to go through all this stuff now with a little bit of try on and go from there. So I happen to have a ton of clothes here, way more than I thought I was going to end up trying on. And even though some of it was stuff that still kind of fit or stuff that I did like, I ended up getting rid of almost everything in those piles just because I didn't wear it anymore. I did hold on to some of the dresses, but I really did get rid of most of this stuff. So again, if it's something you want to see, you can go on my Depop. Guys, I'm really excited because I did not think this dress was going to fit still, but it does, so I'm very excited about that. We now have a ton of stuff in a pile on the floor over there, and I made another pile over here with more stuff that doesn't need to be tried on. But next, before we start trying on a bunch more stuff, I want to quickly reorganize the layout in here and try and get everything nice and color-coded. I don't feel like putting my other clothes back on, so I'm staying in this for now. So when I was putting away all this stuff and organizing it, it really kind of made me think that I wanted to get rid of even more. But I kind of sat and looked back at it and remembered that most of this really is just work clothes and things that I know I'll be really upset about if I got rid of it. So for the time being, I really just decided, okay, let's put it in color-coded order. There were a few more things I threw onto the ground after this in that giant pile. So again, you can go check out my store if you want to see them. But most of what I did here was just reorganizing, putting everything in its place, and then moving on. So the plan is going to be to do like a big reveal when we're all done, but as you guys can see, I did color code this stuff. Basically dresses and like long sweaters and jackets are on the top, and then like my blouses and normal length stuff is on the bottom here. So the next step is to go through all of the bins that I showed you before. Basically all of these, because I started putting my tank tops up over here. And then I also have a bunch of t-shirts and a pile down here too. So I have a sock drawer, an underwear drawer, and a pajama drawer that are totally taken care of. And everything else we have to go through. So that's going to be next. I had so much clothes in these bins. It was, even this here was like 4 bins total. And I still had more bins full of stuff. So I decided to take it one step at a time and just focus on all these summer clothes for now. Because there really was just too much clothes. And it's not stuff, again, that I'm going to get rid of because a lot of it is my gym stuff. So it's like most of what's hanging is work and most of what's in these bins is gym. So we're back. As you guys can see, everything is nicely organized here. And ignore the other buckets. I've decided not to go through the winter ones just because there's no reason to right now. But more importantly, we now have t-shirts, mostly for the gym, tank tops and bras, and bathing suits. And then these are my 3 ones that stayed the same. At the bottom here, we have sweatpants, then gym shorts, the normal shorts. And I left my jeans out because I think what I want to do is end up putting a bunch of skirts into this to kind of follow the summer theme. And I wound up putting the jeans up top here. But first, chicken nugget break, then we will finish this up. So this is really the only part of my closet where I knew I wasn't going to get rid of anything. All of these fit me except for maybe 3 things, and those are what I put away. But I wear these all pretty much like throughout my weeks. I go through the month, I switch up a bunch of different pants depending on what I need for work, and skirts as well. So these are all season long, I wear them. So this is now totally organized here, and totally organized in the back. And while I wait for the rest of my laundry to finish, we have to organize the shelves. Everything is mostly done and my shoes are fully organized, but I have some stuff here that I want to clean up a little bit, just so that way the closet can be totally finished by the time we're done. Similarly to the pants, I didn't really get rid of anything on these shelves other than like a few spare Q-tips that were laid out and needed to get thrown in the garbage. All of the stuff on my shelves is my makeup, some of my medications, my nail polish, my perfumes, things like that that I need to stay out. Of course, I have it decorated as well with my books, a little shrine to one of my cats, and then I also have like a box of pads and some jewelry below them. So these are all things that needed to stay in here. They just really needed to be straightened up to make the room look a little nicer. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed and that you'll subscribe for another one next week. I do monthly crochet tutorials and I do a new video every week, and I'm getting back into the groove of posting some shorts as well. I also have an Instagram where I post my free patterns, pictures of what I'm doing, and as you heard me say before, I have a Depop as well where all these clothes will be posted. I cannot wait to see you all next week, and thank you again. Bye-bye!